Hi, hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Kalyani ka Apna Kitchen. Today I am making rasam for afternoon. So let's see the process. I have taken these 6 tomatoes, cut and grinded in mixer, made puree. I have taken a small coriander. Coriander I don't have with stem. So actually we put the full coriander with stem. And I have taken these curry leaves with stem. So I will put this. And this I have taken garlic, 6 cloves, then 1 teaspoon jeera and 8 to 10 whole black peppers. I have mixed all and crushed it. You can run on pulse rate, or you can use like this, what we call khalbatta in Marathi, like this, and you can use this and crush it. So let's start. I have taken this kadai and I am in that adding this puree to boil. I'll add small water to it, adding salt. I'm adding this whatever I made, jeera and garlic and whole pepper crushed. Then I'm adding this curry leaves. And this coriander I am not adding now because I don't have stem, so I will add last. So now it will boil for some time, and then we will give tadka to it. Water consistency you can keep as per your choice. How thin? Rasam is actually a thin liquid like water, but how much you want you can add it. Rasam has boiled for 15 minutes. Now I will drain it. I sim the gas and just pick it up, and a small draining is required. And use the salmon. Now it is drained nicely. You can remove this one side. Now this is clear water like rasam ready. Now I will give tadka. For tadka I have put 1 tablespoon of oil in this kadai. I am adding these mustard seeds and 2 chilies. Red chili, 4 red chili. Once this crackles nicely, I will add this curry leaf. Added the curry leaf. Chili powder is optional. If you like, you can just add pinch of chili powder. Otherwise, it's okay like this. And now in this, I will pour this liquid. This is done. I will add a small half teaspoon lime juice. Here is the lime juice. And now I will add bunch of coriander. It's not bunch, actually less only, but the more coriander you put, more taste it gives. Now let it boil and I will switch off the gas. It is ready to serve now. I switch off the gas and here our rasam is ready to serve for lunch. You can always drink in cold weathers, and when you have cold, cough, that black pepper heals your throat as well as you get some taste. So rasam is very useful in that way. You can make tamarind rasam also. Then you can make parpu rasam also with tur dal, and you can make clear tomato rasam like this. It's soup like. So you can have 2-3 types of rasam. It's your choice which you want to taste. So rasam is ready. Now I hope you all like the recipe and you will try in your homes. You'll enjoy the same. And till next video, thank you.